I want to groom you to be the next underboss of the Jamaican Mafia family.
Inside the music shack, famous Jamaican actor, yeah man, the one and only Paul Campbell.
Yeah.
Welcome, my brother.
I'm very happy to be here in the shack. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Much
man.
love.
And Paul Campbell is passing through promoting his brand new movie,
Jamaican Mafia. Yes, indeed.
Alright, so tell the people a little bit about Jamaican Mafia.
I am the captain.
Well, Jamaican Mafia is what is dubbed as a gangster film. And more than anything else, it's about family. It's about the virtues of family, loyalty, commitment, devotion, that kind of thing. Pretty much the same thing that involves in any other mafia.
Your uncle are happy to see us still.
I don't want you mix up with them wicked man then.
It's a coming together of the minds of, Jamaican parents or Jamaican relatives and really impressing upon the younger ones what it means to be family.
Okay.
So just someone for sure they're on it.
I don't want you around Soji and his posse.
What's different about the Jamaican Mafia that make the Jamaican Mafia different from the other people mafia movies then?
First of all, we're a different culture. It's Jamaican. It's not Italian, it's not American, it's nothing else. It's Jamaican. As far as the organization is concerned, yes, it has some similarities, but we do things very differently, as whomever comes to the movie will see. But pretty much it's the same structure as any other mafia. You have a hierarchy of who is in charge and who sends the orders down. And
I send the orders down and the money come up.
it's like any other organization, so to speak, but with a flavor, a Jamaican flavor.
Why?
You have to add me out.
How did it came about?
Well, I was contacted by the writer, and he at this time the script was already finished, so he contacted me and we got together, we looked at the script, and he offered me the part of Soji. Soji, by the way, is the name of the character that I play, the man who runs the organization.
So just someone for sure they're on it.
I don't want you around Soji and his posse.
You're big, you are, you're huge.
I saw?
Yeah,
Much love, much
there's
respect.
There's no other way to say it.
Come from where the rum strong, tourists them flying, forget them.
I will give up my life for the Jamaican Mafia family.
And people watching a lot of movies, from back then to now. What do you find acting now, as far as the comfort level compared to then? Is it easier? You find it easier, or just the same? A new project is the same.
No, it's easier. No, it's never easier. Depending on the character, as far as I'm concerned, it depends on the character that I'm playing. It's never easy to shelve yourself and become somebody else. No, I'm more learned, as far as how you go about doing stuff. But I find it challenging. Like the first film I did, The Lunatic, fully fledged feature film. I feel the same way excited at every other script that come my way from then now until now.
For the Jamaican Mafia family. If I betray the Jamaican Mafia family, may I die the worst death.
May I die the worst death.
So, which are your movie would you say is your favorite to watch?
Me not watch myself. You see, for me personally speaking, if I do that, then I start criticizing, boy, Paul, you could have done that differently, or, so I never watch. But the movie, there is no one movie. I have, for sentimental value, certain feelings toward particular movies that I've done, namely The Lunatic. It was my very first film, you know, I mean, realizing a dream for me as the actor. So, you know, that has a special place in my heart. But as far as all the other films that I've done, I mean, they're all the same, man. I mean, same expectancy, same excitement is given to it, and I try to put in the 110% of work into every one of them.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah, man.
So tell me now, man, the $1 million question.
$1 million question.
How come you play bad so good?
May I die the worst death. I want you to slaughter that.
How come I play bad so good? I tell you what helped me in playing bad so good. Growing up, I grew up in a depressed area of Maxfield Avenue, Kingston 13. And anybody who live in a tenement yard in a Kingston 13 will tell you that there'll be bad all around. You know, my thing though was to act bad and not to be bad. There's a difference, you understand? So after seeing it, ingesting it, I mean, it's there every day that you see it in some way or form. Get up people, a tenement yard people always have something to quarrel about.
I will give up my life for the Jamaican Mafia family.
So you get a role in a movie. What would you say is the biggest challenge in carrying out that character in the right way?
I went all out. I'm a method actor.
Okay.
You know, I got the part. I walked from Kingston to St. Anne's Bay. You know, burn up the foot bottom so it could be tough enough to run on the side of the mountain. No more sophistication. Fingernails grew. I mean, during the duration of my time out in the streets in the wild, slept in gullies, slept on piazza, have crab louse, looked the part of the character, you know, lived it. And so therefore when they started shooting, it was so much easier to, you know, bring this character to life. It's the details that counts, you know, the tightening of the jawbone, the flaring of the nostrils, the looking from left to right, all of that. So it's the details for me as an actor.
Jamaican Mafia. Now, when people go to watch this movie, all right, you know, and they're leaving, what they're gonna come away saying, I think.
I hope they come away very proud, you know, but what I hope they walk away with is a pride that all these people will come together to make this film, which is brilliantly written, and might I say the director, African brother by the name of Afomba Donzo, does a brilliant job with the direction, and therefore I think it's worth watching. The acting is off the hook, as them say.
I am the captain. I send the orders down and the money come up.
We know it's not always easy, like to do something, do a project like this with Jamaicans.
Shooting in the ghetto, which has been my experience. Third World Cop, dancehall queen, you know. Third World Cop, for instance, we're shooting in a place called Standpipe. And then, of course, the inhabitants, the natives of Standpipe, start blow up the thing, you know. I deal with some money. Not now short today unless some money run. You understand? So then, yeah, of course, some money run. did run. And them cool down. But if they were educated as to, you know, how you open your arms up, yeah, man, you know, and I think that's a major part of the problem, that the folks in Jamaica are not educated as to the process, what it takes, you know, and how it benefits them if they would allow the folks to come in, you know, and not only that the folks would come in to shoot something, but of course there would be a union. It should be coming, education start from the top, you know, the government themselves, the different agencies which are film agencies attached. They need to educate the folks, you know, from top to bottom so everybody knows what it brings to the island, you know, to the economy, the jobs, that kind of thing, you know, and there'll be less screw face and grouses and negativity.
I will give up my life for the Jamaican Mafia family.
You know, even with my production, I kind of have to deal with stuff like that from time to time. Everyone just look on it and say, well, okay, TV, movie, big money there, you know, and
that's a false thing, you know, that appears to be so when it really isn't so. I mean, you need to educate the people, as I said, so they know the fullness.
Okay.
You know, it might not affect you now, but it's going to affect your generation after you, which is a great thing.
True. So, Jamaican Mafia, you know, where is it being carried right now? Well,
it opens, a big release date is the 27th of August, 2014, and it's being opened here in New York. In Queens, Green Acres Mall. The theater is called Sunrise Multiplex Cinemas.
Okay. So for information, are there...
For information, anyone wanting to know, they can either go to JamaicanMafiaMovie.com. The Jamaican Mafia also has a page on Facebook, hwponline.com. Everyone's very familiar with Jam. So, but there you go. And Bobby Clark, who is such a stalwart and what he does, is doing a beautiful job.
Yeah, man. Tell me one line or even half a line that you feel.
This man is insistent. TV land, me have to tell you, from a reach, you know, this man I want me to do all these lines from all these different movies. Yeah.
Tell me one line or half a line from Jamaican Mafia that people gonna be talking about.
I know this one they'll definitely talk about. I am the captain. I send the orders down and the money come up. I am the captain. I send the orders down and the money come up. That's it. I'm the captain, I'm the emperor, I'm all these wonderful things rolled into one. Love and respect.
Man is the captain. And when him talk, as him say, no dog bark.
No dog bark, our dog get him teeth kick up. No, I can't say that. Not in America, my God.
Yeah, man.
And me name Zuzu. Me I run the family now. If you think my father did cool, me frozen.
You never heard of Awilo? He's a Nigerian gangster, and most people fear him.
Go to the spots where the Jamaican Mafia hang out and get rid of them all.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try
Shots fired. Repeat. Shots fired at Church and Troy Avenue.
Jamaica love. We wanna feel Jamaica love.
Okay, so the pride tonight, right? Support the thing, all right? Cool. Thank you. Jamaican people, Caribbean people, black people, everybody on the ball we call the earth. Check it out. Love and respect.
Anyone will try to push you over and over.
Oh well, wonderful brethren, great spirit. You tune in on this, the Jamaican flag, which tells us that he is very proud to be a Jamaican. There's a remarkable stone which the builder refused, memoirs of a Jamaican immigrant who went from not having a TV at home in Jamaica to becoming TV producer in America. An American success story. Trust me, Howell, I do sincerely hope with the help of all of the people who are looking on, this book flourishes, you know, and not only that it flourishes, but people will take a page, so to speak, out of your book. No pun intended, and really lift themselves up. Love and respect, man.
Respect, man.
Over, lift up your head.